Right, there's your first pocket, which we'll put on. That goes there, it just fits between the two. So you would put your tape in there, non-stick those, but they're not probably worn off after 13 years, I suppose. No, I'm talking to the camera. What do you think I was going balmy?
Yeah.
No, I'm videoing. Right, so you then put right across the bottom of there as well. This can go in your book, a short slurp. I think everybody in our club knows that I like cold tea because I never seem to drink it hot. So take your tape lining off, bit of glue on there. Take that one. Weather's certainly changed. You can all sit indoors and make your book. Right, so there you put that. Told you this was easy to make. There. Push it all along. That's what I said, I would decorate these pages before they were in the book, but I wanted to show you how to put the pages in the book. I might not be so messy then. There's glue everywhere, I don't know why. Right, that's your first one. And your top flat is a little bit more. I would then put just a piece of tape under there, because you don't want that flapping about, just enough to hold it down. Right, your top one, for your top one you need it to come down just over your, so you'll need it at 6 inches by 8.5, and you score to 1/2 inch. On 3 sides. And 3/4 inch on one side. Cut into your score line, just chamfer that, but on that one just a smidge, okay, so that you've got that on those lines. I've ordered a new tripod for my camera, so I'm hoping I'll be able to do this filming from overhead, because I worry that you can't see things. And it'd be easier for me than holding it up in the air all the time. Now what I've just done there, that's why you get them rough edges. you go. So in there, into your score line and out again. Right, so now you fold all of those in. Get your tape, tape all of your pieces on your 3/4 one. You can put two, well, depends what length of tape you've got, I suppose. Just make sure it's done right, done. That all sticks nicely. So you'd want all those inwards, and this one is the part that you'll be putting into your book. So that one, you need to put the tape on the outside. Don't go over your edge. Well, you can, because you can be covered. I was thinking. So this bit, didn't do what I'm always telling everybody to do. Make sure you put that. It does make a difference. Right, take off your tape, push in both sides. Take off your tape, push in, burr it down. Same with the bottom. This is for the reinforcement of your page. Go. So that then this is your book. That then goes there, like so. So that will fit, and that will just come over your flap. So if I were you, I would decorate this piece before you put it in the book, because it makes it so much easier to do. When I was printing out, I printed a few mistakes when I was printing out the papers, so I've got a few here that probably are not like that, for instance. So I'm going to use this for my flap in my pocket. I'm going to measure this first, so that will be so I'll put that right up to where I want it. Hope you can see this properly, everyone. I'm just a bit trying to get this done and not feeling too well, isn't very easy. There, so you need to make your mark like you do there and there, there and there. So let's see what we've got here. So that will fit. Sorry, I didn't like that stain on it. So you need to mark your page at, use your pattern paper, put it on your page, see where you want your one mark, 2 marks, your page, and that will stick down to there, like so. First of all, bit of ink. I didn't want to use black soot because I thought it might be a little bit too. I didn't want to use vintage photo because I didn't. So I'm using faded jeans in the oxides. I think it's the same in. Well, it is the same in there. just that was the one I picked up. Right, so that can be glued on. I won't do the inside for a second, I'll show you on the book. Right, so we're going to put a little piece in this. This is where also your magnets will come into play. So we need a piece on here, 3 inches. Why am I doing that? I never do that. So your mark for this one would be, put that under there, the page. So your flap is ready for there, and that will be your page. Now you need to stick this down. Stick that down to right. Well, that is your second page, basic parts done. Now we need to come to the inside and put it on your magnets. So first off, I'm going to choose all of my printing errors. This was, you see, you've got some writing under it, so I'm going to use that for there. So I'm going to cut a piece there.